If you've ever wondered how to fit a serious message into a tiny format, this is a smart example. This is A Quick Guide to Tackling Hate, a pocket-sized concertina leaflet created for Communities Inc. and their partners. Closed, it's just 85 by 85 millimeters, small enough to live in a wallet or on a lanyard. The cover keeps things calm and clear with soft green circles and simple typography. Open it up and the leaflet stretches into a long strip of panels printed full colour both sides on silk stock. One side explains what hate is, how it affects people and when to act. The reverse breaks down practical steps, when to get involved, how to stay safe and different ways to intervene, see, report, support, distract, directly challenge. Short paragraphs and icons keep it readable even on the move. We helped the team choose the size, stock and folds and then printed a whopping 10,000 copies, folded and boxed, ready to reach community groups across the country.